Yeah, what up, guys? I'm actually reviewing my trade for the day, and I saw this comment, and I feel like it's a very important thing I need to address. And I want you guys to take this seriously. This is my advice for most of you guys. If your strategy that you have been learning is trend line, you don't have any business watching video about head and shoulder. If the strategy you have been learning from your mentor is support and resistance, I don't think you actually have any business watching videos about liquidity, because you are going to get lost. For an instance now, every strategy has their own words and terminologies. When it comes to trendline traders, all they say is trendline, breakout, retest. So you are used to those words. So whenever you watch a content of somebody that trades moving average, and that person is telling you that whenever I have a moving average cross, my moving average 200, it might sound like a gibberish to you because you are not used to those terms. If all you trade is a break and retest, and your words is just if it has broken, it retests, multiple rejection. That is the kind of words you are used to because of your strategy. Now, if you watch a video from a trader that trades smart money, and you start to hear order block, you start to hear this, you'll be like, which one is order block? Are these people bricklayer? Then you start to judge them and feel like you don't understand what they are saying. It is not their fault. You are the one that is passing your boundary, right? You are the one that is passing your boundary. So I see a lot of positive comments. Over 90% of the comments are positive. But most people that are saying they don't understand, it's as a result of when I checked your profile, I saw that you are not trading anything related to smart money. So how would you understand? So instead of you to accept that this is not your own field, you will rather call that mentor that is teaching rubbish, or because you don't understand it, right? Which is very bad for you. And before you even do that comment, you should have gone through the comment section and see that other people are saying they understand it, and other people are thanking the mentor, thank you for the information, God bless you. But you are the only one that now said you don't understand. You should even be ashamed before dropping the comment, because if 90% of people are appreciating the mentor for dropping value, only you want to go look back left, definitely you should know that Oriti and Kokwe. Should you understand? So I want to be polite as much as I can, because I've actually seen a lot of funny comments and all. So please, my advice for you is cut your clothes according to your size. And whenever you see a mentor giving you guys a free content, it can be anybody. It's not charging you for it. The least you can do is appreciate. And if you don't like the content, just swipe up. He didn't charge you for it. He gave it out of his own free will. So instead of you just coming, saying gibberish, right? My content is for my followers, not for anyhow people. And I believe my followers are smart individuals. So, and again, some people will be like, oh, most of my followers knows that if it comes to breaking something down in the most simplest way, I am one of the best person that you can actually find that does that. But I know I can't please everybody, right? So, and when it comes to terminologies in Forex, you can call your own break construction. Another person can call it change of character. That does not mean any one of you guys are wrong. And that does not mean I need to condemn other person because they are using another words for it. The end goal is, are you making money? Are you withdrawing? Are you driving that mad car? Are you living in a luxury house? That is what matters. No matter what English you use, the end result is you understand your craft and you trade it. So this is a very big advice for you guys. Forget about because your own mentor used to say break construction, and another mentor is saying change of character. That does not mean your mentor is wrong. That does not mean the other mentor too is wrong. They can choose any words. That is what they call language. We can go in any direction that we want, in as much as we are going to the same understanding. So I don't want this video to be too long. So, so we don't send you. If you are trendline traders and you're not ready to evolve, swipe up. I want the me one be my own people there that they understand what I'm telling them and they appreciate it. Right.
Here's how you can start trading smart and finally pass your prop firm challenge. If you're 18 to 35, listen up. First thing you're going to do is grab the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan, link in bio. Once you're in, go straight to the market structure section so you can finally read the charts like a pro. Next, dive into the liquidity and fair value gap chapters. This is where you'll learn how the big banks move the market and how to catch the move before it happens. Then, use our entry technique guide to time your trades with sniper accuracy. No more random entries, no more gambling. Finally, follow our trade management steps to protect profits and scale your account steadily. If you're tired of blowing accounts and failing challenges, this is your wake-up call. PipsGravity Mastermind. Get it now and start trading like the top 1%.